All right, so let's do this problem. All right, we have 4 and 31 hundredths, parenthesis, 0 and 52 hundredths. What does that mean? 4 and 31 hundredths times, that means times 52 hundredths. So let's do it. 4 and 31 hundredths times 52 hundredths. All right, first thing I'm going to do is start with the first place. 2 times, and I'm going to multiply that by every single of the numbers above it. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. All right, notice I did it for every single one. Now let's do the next row. Let's do the 5. Now notice the 5 is in the second spot. That means I have to start in the second spot right there. So what do you have to put in that first spot? That's right, a 0, a placeholder. Now 5 times 1 is 5, went in the second spot. 5 times 3 is 15, carry my 1. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 1 is 21. Now we're going to add 2, 11, 8, and 1 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14, carry my 1. 1 and 1 makes 2, and 2. Now, where does the decimal go? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, does it go here? Nope, there's only one spot. Here? Nope, that's 2. Here? 3. Here. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 spots. So it's 2 and 2,412 ten thousandths. Okay? All right, let's go to the next problem.